Good day. The month of October is World Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The Rotary Club of Makati San Antonio celebrates this by holding its 18th Beat Cancer Project at Balagtas, Bulacan.
Sir, ito po ay aming ika-18 Beat Cancer Project sa Luzon. Ngayon po, natutuwa ako na ikatatlong partnership na po namin ito with Councilor Monay and Rotary Club of Giginto, Bloomingdale's. Natutuwa po ako na nag-iisa po ang aming layunin na makatulong po sa mga mothers, sa kababaihan dito sa atin sa Pilipinas.
There were 49 participants from this community. 5 of them had breast mass and 1 was referred to Malolos Hospital for immediate surgery. This high result was quite unfortunate, but through this event, we hope they will move forward and continue on to a positive journey in life.
The Rotary Club of Makati San Antonio would like to thank the following: Rotary Club of Giginto, Bloomingdale's, Rotaract Club of Makati San Antonio, the Interact Club of Makati San Antonio, Kapitan Efren Vergara, Councilor Monay Payuran, RC Makati Premier District, and the Philippine Cancer Society for their partnership. Let us encourage the adult women in our families to gift themselves with a checkup on their birthdays each year. Let us support one another for better health and longer lives. This is Erin Espina for RCMSA News. Thank you for watching.